Hello, good morning, everyone. Well, hello, everyone. I want to begin the training proper for basic computer training for students that have not gotten used to their system or they have PCs. So this will be what they need to know about computer training. Will not be talking much. First of all, I want them to know that whatsoever they will be taught is all about the training proper. Looking on the screen, you see that it's all about the view, the desktop view. Everything you are seeing is a desktop view, and this is a desktop session, desktop view. And anything here, they are already in a particular folder. Yes, I mean a folder that came with the system, inbuilt folder. So this section is the taskbar. You see these apps, they are already running. That's why they have white screen below them, white coloring below them. So they are running. These ones are not running. These three, they are not running. So this one is a utility software. We call it File Explorer, and this one is a browser. Yes, a fully on browser is, I think, Microsoft Edge. And this one is Capilot. Here we see other driver sessions and softwares. Drivers that are running in the background. These antivirus. I mean Windows security. The way it's being referred to. These are softwares that are working. Here we have the network connection. There we can see that then these are battery area that detects if your battery is charging, is fully charged or not fully charged. And these zero that indicates video sound recording or whatsoever. Yes, and there's a time setup. You can set up your time from here. And if your time is not connected to the internet for auto resetting or auto synchronization, you can do that from here. And this is your notification bar where you receive messages. Likewise, other sessions to set up your other settings, such as your screen, your screen snap, easy for screenshotting. This turning on or turning off airplane mode. Some other settings like your hotspots and even your night light. They are all here. Your VPNs too. This one is for project in case you want to turn on a projector. Yes, you want to project to another screen or whatsoever. You use this one. So this is a desktop view. And as you can see, everything here is just so arranged. And here we have your search bar. You can use it to search for the software or the folder you might have been looking for. Most especially softwares and applications, search for them in here. Then here is your Windows session. If you click on it, it will lead you to some apps. And if you want to see all apps, there is a session for that, but mine isn't showing now until you scroll down. This is how you scroll down. So you see all apps are displayed already. In some systems, it will leave a section where you select all applications, and you see all applications from A to Z. But mine displayed because I've not placed much app in the system, as you can see. That is that. So what I'll be teaching you now is how to turn on or turn off your system. Turning on your system is all about booting. Yes, and as you know, we have two types of booting. Okay, now it is how you booting your computer. It has to do with certain types. I said sorry. We have the warm booting and we have the cold booting. For the cold booting, we are talking about turning on your computer from the power button. Yes, and it has always been like that. Yeah, practically you just click on the power on button for a cold booting, not a warm booting. And for the warm booting, it's all about restarting your system. Yes, and how do you restart your system? You can restart your system by clicking either you go to the Windows, click on the window button, or go to the Windows. Yes, but by the time you go to the Windows, you select this power button, you select it, then you see the button, the option known as what, restart. If you click on restart, that means you have and the system restarts, you know that you've done a warm booting. Yes, that's a warm booting. Warm booting, WARN, sorry, WARM, WARM, warm booting. Yes, and another way of achieving this warm booting is by uh, uh, clicking on this control key, alternate F4, alternate F4. By then you select alternate F4 from your keyboard, alternate plus F4 here. You see this pop-up menu coming out. You see I'm using a Windows 10 system, right? So though most systems have started upgrading to Windows 11, is Windows 10. So you select your options by clicking the drop down menu. You see restart. Yes, restart. That's the option for another warm booting process. And another process is by selecting on what do you call it? Is by selecting on is by clicking on this control key, control plus alternate plus delete. By the time you select it, it will take your system somewhere else. So it's quite funny, you know. Quickly cancel it. Yeah, so that's that. These are the fewer options that you can use for your warm booting. Yeah, then that's for turning on your system. As you know, booting is a process of putting your system to start. So you are really okay. Sorry. That's all about the warm booting and the cold booting. And as you know, booting is about starting or putting your computer to start. Then by our next class, we'll talk about how to create folders. Yes, in our next class, we'll talk about how to create folders and how to move files from one folder to another folder. I hope you subscribe and like my videos after subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Welcome to Avin's computer training on the basics. I hope that as you get to watch other videos of mine on YouTube, here on YouTube, you enjoy the process and you get stuck to your system with a positive and a more brilliant mindset. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.